What a smart rapper, welcome to the shortcut. Today I was asked, should you work on one song, one at a time, or is it okay to work on 2 or 3 at a time? Can you do more than one? And you know, it's interesting because it's actually such a valid question that when I first started making music, I didn't know, because you're like, is it wrong to work on numerous ones? Will you get confused? Blah, 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 blah. And here's the thing, right? Number one, I'm Rob Level, and I assume if you watch this video, you know who I am, right? And there's the shortcuts, so make sure you subscribe. Now, what we're talking about here is this. So, it's always smart to finalize a song, right? Because the song's done completely, and you can move forward, right? And you're like, okay, that's completed. But the thing is, as artists, we generally don't, because we like completing a song to about 30%, because that's the easy amount of the song to finish. And we like to make excuses to ourselves that it makes sense for us to jump around songs. Oh, I'll do this. Oh, I started that. Now I got 500 songs, yet all the songs are only 30% done. That's normal. That's what every single artist does. And that's probably why you want to know the answer to this question, because you feel like you want to know if it's okay for you to start on numerous songs at one time.
Oh, God.
And the truth is, it's okay for you to work on numerous songs at once, but you can't use it as an excuse to not complete other songs.
Use your common sense.
That's where you screw yourself up. What you really want is you want to make sure that if you're going to move to another song and work on numerous songs, you need to get into the habit of completing a song to like 70%, where, look, I already got the lyrics written, I've already chosen all the melodies for this, all I have to do is complete these small pieces. Don't only do the very minimal amount of a song. You know, you're not really going to ever get a song complete at that point, because you know when you go back to the song, there's so much more to work on. But if you get it 75% done, you're like, oh, that's almost done. I can get that done like this. When it's time to release the project, give me 3 weeks, I'll get all the songs done for you. Right? There's a thing too, you may not always feel like working on one specific song. You may not feel the vibe of working on a girl song that you partially completed. You may not feel like finishing that banger or that real talk song because you're not in that emotional mood. It is completely okay for you to work on numerous songs at the same time. I do it all the time. I got 50 songs on my desktop right now, and I have them all organized. I'll make a video on that and how I organize them, from does it need a verse still? Does it need a hook still? Has it been started yet? Does it have the ideas and the outline yet? Is it arranged? Is it partially recorded? Does it need to be reviewed? That's how I do it. So as I finish a song, I move them across this pathway, and I'll make that for you guys so you can utilize that method too. So really, just the answer is this, like, yeah, it's okay. Work on 100 songs at once, you know what I'm saying? You'll take ideas from certain songs, and then after you work on that song, you'd be like, oh, you know what, this may go good on this other song. I do that all the time, guys. So yeah, no problem. I know if you're new, you wanted to answer that question. I had to answer this because I'm gonna answer every single question any rapper ever has, ever. All right, and that's what the shortcut is. It's gonna help you shortcut through having to figure out those answers for yourself, all right? So make sure you subscribe. I release videos every day. If you want me to answer your question, ask it below, because I know the answer. You're not gonna ask me a question I don't know the answer to, most likely. If you're even in here asking, I know the answer, all right? So subscribe, give me a like, and hit me with a comment. Ask every question you have below. Ask numerous questions. Ask them as different questions below in the comments. Yeah. Not only does it help me, but when we screenshot them, it makes them easier to read, and then, you know, be able to shout you out if we put your screenshot in there, okay? So I'll see you guys again tomorrow with another video. Keep hustling, gang, and I'll see you at the top, all right? Make sure you check out my new music. Watch what I do. Watch how I'm marketing. Watch how I play the game. And you can just copy my moves, all right? Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top. If you're seeing this right now and you haven't heard about the music industry shortcut, what the are you doing? There's a reason why I've been able to help literally millions of artists. Have artists like Lil Nas X thank me. I spent years building something.
Hey, I watch this man every day. His tips work on God. I love you, man. You help a lot of people out here, bro. It's just so amazing that I met you, bro. I love you, bro. For real, man. It's just to meet you, bro.
And you learn every single week. Nothing like this has ever existed because nobody could have built this. I'm an artist, and I teach other artists what I learn as I go. Click this video and go check out what I'm talking about. You need to check out the music industry shortcut. It's the fastest growing community for the music industry, period. I'm pushing this so hard, you have no idea. I already have the #1 educational platform in the music industry, and now I've built this for the music industry. I'm Rob Level. Click this video and go check out the music industry shortcut. It'll take you to the next level. Pun intended.